On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Tight back here. Good thing he's dealing with mini-trucks.
That's how they get them off the truck before they had a loading dock.
MotoCheez.
Hey, how you been, man?
Good to see you, man.
Long time.
Yes, long time. Come on in.
You sold a lot of stuff, huh?
Yeah, they come and go, man. Down into the middle? Yes, sure, absolutely. Stop this baby up.
Got my name on it.
That thing's clean, huh?
I'm gonna buy it.
Look at that. Oh my God, that thing is so clean. Holy cow.
Take a ride, see what kind of cut this guy. Oh, I hear it.
Is this a Supercharged one? You couldn't open it last time.
Yeah, I got one of these. Yeah.
How many miles or kilometers?
64. This is supercharged.
This is Supercharged, yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
But look, now you look in there. You want to pull that tranny out? That's,
Yeah.
you know, that's no fun. That'll be some cursing involved. Right?
That's right. Yeah, it's pretty clean, huh? Yeah, it looks like this one might be sold to Ian.
Oh, that's a big
It's like an amusement park ride here.
That's a wait in this thing now.
Yeah, we got a little weight, huh?
Yeah. Make sure we don't run up on our side.
That was scary look on your eyes. Woo!
That clutch is good.
Maybe it'll fix that problem that we've been having.
God damn.
Holy shit, it's tired.
New Jersey drift.
Now we gotta make this turn. Oh, we got Jeff on the wrong side.
Jesus Christ. Jesus.
Did you bring a pair of shorts with you?
I don't mind when I'm driving, but
I know. Jesus Christ. Woo! Give it out and kiss the ground. Ah, we made it. Oh, that's weird. It wasn't there and then it came.
Yeah.
I wonder what that is.
And here's the truck I was talking about. We just put a Raptor line on. $110. I think 2 or 3 bottles. 3 bottles.
Two-part epoxy.
You just add like a hardener thinner.
Yeah.
To the sides on the inside so it kind of match. It's pretty good texture.
It smells like it's still flashing a little bit.
Last night and they look cool with the way they are right now. I mean these
I know.
flatbed.
Yep.
So this is the one with the axle and diff lock. I think I'm going to bring this one and play with it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Snow day with this truck.
Yeah. I like it.
And then the one we put a plow on, 10,000 kilometers. You got to check that truck out.
Oh, look at that.
So this is the Blackline plow. Installed a 2-inch lift kit.
How many miles on this one?
10,000 kilometers.
That's it, 10,000 kilometers, huh? So this is up for sale if anybody wanted it?
It's actually going out to a customer.
Oh, someone already bought it. Oh.
So we installed this cloud.
Oh, it's got down pressure too? Holy cow. You can grade with this then.
Yeah. So this is not an electric angle. We just take the pin out and turn it right.
Yeah,
left.
yeah. How much does this plow itself cost?
Plow itself is around 1,500.
That's not bad.
Yeah, with everything, and you need it comes with the receiver hitch and all that section.
Do they come a little bit wider?
They do. They make them in. This is 60 inch. They do them 72,
Yeah.
80. But this fits it well because even when you angle it, you're still.
It's still good, yeah.
52 inches. So.
Yeah. No, when I was first looking at it, it looked like it was closer, but yeah, that's a perfect size for that.
Yeah.
But sometimes a bigger one is nice if you're gonna,
Oh,
you know,
yes.
depending on what driveway you have.
Exactly.
I like it. That's only 1,500, huh? And that comes with everything, all the
Yep.
controls
Exactly.
and all you need is a 2-inch receiver in the
Yes.
front. Now, do you sell those receivers now
So
or no?
Receiver hitch is $350. We keep them in stock. This is only a Suzuki, so Mazda and Suzuki is the same, and it'll fit all Suzukis.
I wonder if I should just buy one from you and get it over with instead of making one.
I have a receiver hitch for the rear. 5-speed high-low, axle, and diff lock. Your favorite diff. Oh, you change yours so that
It comes on,
come on.
yeah, all the time.
Is that better that way? So you can have it in the second and third gear versus just in the first gear?
I only put it on when I need it and then I turn it off.
Use it maybe on second gear as because you go in a
Yeah.
going up the hills and stuff. So, I mean, this is nice too with 15,000 kilometers. Look how the odometer looks. You can tell by the way they sound, the way they look.
Yeah.
A lot of things you can tell. I pull this out a little to show you how this works. This is a PTO dump. 5-speed. Have it in neutral and let this thing, and as I let the clutch go, it'll start going up.
Nice.
PTO, yeah, that's not electric hydraulic, that's hydraulic.
Well, this is definitely more heavy duty too because you can see the bed.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a nice unit. Right?
What's this going to go for? Yeah.
This one is 78.
78?
I can't get over that piston. And it's a real hydraulic dump on it.
Yeah. I like these, the Toyotas too. Right drive.
Oh, yeah.
There's another one. Brush guard's a little big.
They're the same tires, but this is 23 A12 for the
Might have to get me one of these vans someday. I like it.
I like you a lot.
So this is how you check it to see what the measurement is.
Yeah.
By 100. Yeah.
So that will fit yours, bro.
Yeah.
So you're taking those home.
These are the ones you're getting, right?
Yeah. The white ones for the back, anyone.
Yeah, the wide ones won't fit on the front. That'd be better though, because the way you burn your tires off.
Yeah.
I've been driving it, I've used the truck.
I know.
So this is William from Mamaroneck, New York.
Right.
Straight with the Hijet, by the way.
You got to have one of these for your key then.
Yes.
Wow, that's cool.
We're going to be loading in the box truck.
That's correct.
All right, we'll get it on video. How long did it take you to get here?
It took us less than an hour. The reason why we're buying this is because of this. Because we have a vineyard in Fallsburg. We're near Monticello. Like, 20
Oh,
minutes before
yeah.
Monticello.
Nice and smooth. Nice. Like a glove. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. All right, we're gonna do more business. Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
That's good seeing you again, man.
All right.
Yeah. Take it easy.
Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.